Shoot with Lakeside, which is a shopping centre, and I'm just on location, which is Mersey Beach, which is literally not half an hour from where I live, so I'm so lucky because I could just drive here this morning. So we're just doing some group shots now. Hopefully you can hear me because it's really windy. We're just about to do some group shots on the beach and the weather is amazing. I'm going to see if someone can film some of the behind the scenes, so I'll insert that now if they can, if they're free. But yeah, so I've got this dress on, which is very booby, but I'm hoping no one can see my nips because that's not great. Although we are on a beach, so it fits. Morning guys, so it is Thursday today and I did vlog a little bit of yesterday. I haven't edited that yet. I'll take my Invisalign out because I have a list with it at the moment. So yesterday we're on a photo shoot for a lookbook and some adverts that are going to be shown in the centre. So excited, and they will be live from the end of the month, I think, in the shopping centre. I'll leave all the information below in case you're around Lakeside and you fancy going and having a look. I got to work with a really nice team, which was lovely, and it's actually been like one of the first kind of proper fashion-y shoots I've done. I've done some video shoots and photo shoots before, but they've been mostly like beauty, so it was really nice to do something more fashion related. So that was really, really fun. And the team were lovely, and I got to meet some bloggers as well. I got to meet Katie Snooks, and I followed her for like absolute years, so it was really nice to finally get to chat to her. She was really lovely. I did have a flashing incident where my dress fell down and I flashed everyone my boobs, but we won't talk about that because I'm still a bit embarrassed. I did film a video today, but I have an ASOS order and I'm not sure I want to do another ASOS haul because I feel like I just don't want my whole channel to be just ASOS hauls. So I might actually show you what I picked up in that ASOS haul in today's vlog rather than in a sit down video, which will be live on Sunday. So yeah, hopefully you would enjoy that. Also uploaded that Kardashian Pretty Little Thing haul, which went down okay. Some of you guys were really offended by the fact that I done a Kardashian inspired haul. But just to reiterate, I don't actually like look up to the Kardashians, but I do enjoy watching the programme. I think they actually do pretty well. I mean, they're all billionaires, so they can't be that bad. And I know that most of their bodies are, you know, they have money to have plastic surgery and stuff like that. But it was just a bit of fun, just a bit of a light-hearted haul, because sometimes you just have to mix it up a little bit, otherwise you just get a little bit bored. But some of you guys did get it and saw the funny side. So thank you to those that left a comment and said you found it funny, because you kind of stopped me deleting the video, to be honest. So yeah. Anyway, today I have a day where I'm just going to do some work. I have to go and have a blood test later, which is so annoying because it's the most beautiful day today and I don't really want to be sat in the hospital, but I have to do it, so I'm gonna go and get that done. Hopefully the weather will have put everyone off of having to go and have their blood test, but we can hope, can't we? Also, I'm so excited because like I said, it's so sunny today. I fake tanned as well, so I feel like I'm ready for this weather. But in the woods in front of our house, it's filling up with bluebells. It's so weird because this time last year, I actually stopped weekly vlogging around then properly. I had a really bad time this time last year. I mean, it was a month before we were getting married. I was really ill and I just had loads of stuff going on. Really like dark place in my life. I feel like because I know that time last year, it was quite hard. I do feel a little bit sad at the moment, but this weather is really helping me. It's such a lovely day today that I just feel like grateful for everything today. So that's really nice, and I'm so happy it's sunny this week because I feel like my mind needs something positive to just kind of get me through this time. But the woods has filled up with bluebells and some of them are like coming out, but they're not all fully out yet, and I'm so excited because it means it will just all be blue out the front. So obviously living next to the woods, me and Chris are definitely going to have to go and do some photos in there for my blog at some point because, oh my god, I love bluebells, and bluebells mean so much to us as well, and it's kind of links to that time last year. It's like a bluebell thing. So I'm now home from my blood test. I didn't vlog in the hospital for obvious reasons. Vince is going crazy because he can hear all the birds because I have the window open. I thought I'd just show you my outfit that I'm going to wear for around the house today because I feel like a 12-year-old, but I'm loving it. So I've had this little jumpsuit for so long. I can't even remember where it's from. If I look at the label, I'll leave the link below because I have no idea. I think I got sent this like last year. It's not the most flattering on me. It makes me look quite hippie here and it does need an iron, but no one's judging, right? So I have just popped this on with a little t-shirt underneath, and do you know what? Because it's so loose, Vince, do you mind? So comfy. So yeah, with the slippers, I might take them off actually because I don't need slippers. So in true Laura style, when the sun comes out, I just made myself a nice iced latte. So guys, it's a bit later now. Chris is now home and we're about to kind of work out what we're going to do with our garden. We're going to have like a garden plan. Obviously we have to decorate the inside of the house, but we're going to have a look and just kind of draw up some ideas. I think the weather has inspired us to like figure out what we want to do with the garden eventually. I didn't get time today to show you my ASOS parcel or some of my home bits that I've got from Next. I got some amazing home bits, mostly for the bathroom, but I thought I'd show you those as well. So instead of doing those today, I'm actually going to vlog tomorrow as well, and I'll see you in the morning for day 3 of this random vlog that I just decided to do. So the first thing I got from ASOS were these amazing platform, well I guess they're like platforms with a bit of a heel, but they are like pink and I guess like a straw material. I absolutely love these. They're worth £40, so I feel like £40 is quite expensive, but I love the colour. I love the fact they're straw because I feel like straw stuff just goes with absolutely everything. The only thing I don't like is that they sent me a size 5. I do really, really love them. How cute are these? Imagine these, little white shorts, little white jeans, pink top, pink jumper. Love these shoes so much. But yeah, they sent me the wrong size, so those ones are going to have to go back. Okay, so excuse the mess in the background. It's a work in progress and I've just messed up all of my hair by putting this t-shirt on. But this is one of the t-shirts I got. This is a yellow and kind of like creamy white striped t-shirt, which I love striped t-shirts that are yellow at the moment. But look how weird it is on the shoulders. It's got like these weird like pointy things here. Don't know if I like that. I don't think it's made that well. It just kind of like looks a bit, yeah, look at that. Really pointy, which is such a shame because I love the colours of this, but it's annoying. I'm going to send this one back. I think it's £15, maybe the quality isn't great. The neck is quite high as well, which I'm not sure I'm keen on, so I probably will be sending this one back. But I do really like yellow stripes, and it's definitely something I want to insert into my wardrobe, so I'm going to keep an eye out for something similar. I just don't like this one, although if you are interested, it is quite a long t-shirt. I mean, that's it with over my jeans, so it is quite cute. It's just a weird like little shoulder bit, puts me off, so this one's a no. Next up I've got this top, which is a bit bizarre. This was £22. I like it because it's ruched all the way down the middle, and because of this it does make your boobs look a little bit bigger. It's got ruching down the arms as well, and then we've got like these little tie-up sleeve detailing, which are really, really cute. I love the colours. I love the fact it's got pink, green, yellow and blue in it. It's very bright, very fun. It's a weird material. It's kind of like a bit scratchy material. And I'm not sure if it's something I'd feel overly comfortable in. But it is a really cute little different top. I feel like it's something I don't own anything of. I haven't got anything this shape. The neckline is quite cute as well. I feel like if you had a big bust, this would be really, really flattering. Would I wear this? Is this something that I would actually put on and feel comfortable in? I don't know, but £22 is a little bit expensive, but it is cute. Let me know what you think in the comments about this one, because I'm not sure how I feel about it. Okay, so you guys know I don't normally like to show off my belly, but I have no choice in this one. So this is a little leopard print crop top. Oh, how much was this one? Let me double check. This was £16 and it's by ASOS. I love this top. I love the material. It's a really stretchy material, as you can see, and it's like that kind of ruched up material, so it's really flattering. I love the fact that along the top it's kind of like a frilly effect because of the material, and it has these kind of like joined up arm bits. And when I did the shoot on Monday, no, when was that shoot? When I did the shoot earlier in the week, they put me in a top like this from Topshop with the sleeves like this, and I just think it's so flattering. It's a really cute kind of style. It's very like, oh, what's the film when... Tarzan, very Jane and Tarzan kind of inspired. I would usually wear maybe a higher pair of jeans, so like that for instance, but these ones are a little bit lower. They do show off my belly button. Maybe if these were like there, I would feel really comfortable in this outfit. But yeah, I really love this top. £16 isn't too bad either. Something you can wear in the evening. If you're going out, you could wear this to dinner. I would wear it with a little necklace as well, just to fill up this space. But yeah, it's a really cute, oh, it's a bit down at the back. It's just a really cute, like, little leopard print piece. I would wear it with a skirt as well, some shorts, some jeans, over a bikini on holiday. It's a really versatile piece. But yeah, I actually really like this. And this was one item that I wasn't sure if I would like. I just think I really like these kind of like joined on sleeves. They just look really cute. And it doesn't feel like it's going to fall down or anything. I feel comfortable in it, so yeah. Okay, so next up is this jumper, and this is by Bradshaw, £25.99. So soft. It's literally like so soft and comfy. It's a really nice kind of cream colour. It is quite cropped, but like you can see, these jeans are like below my belly button, and it kind of covers that up, which I really like. The best thing about this jumper is on the sleeves we have these like neon tassels, and I just think these make it so cute for summer. They're really subtle. They're not like in your face kind of neon, but they're just enough to kind of blend with the cream and make the jumper look quite like summery, I guess. And I love that about it. Like, they're just there hanging out. I love it. £25.99 is a little bit steep for a jumper, I guess, but I feel like because it's so comfy, it's the kind of jumper you can just throw on in this kind of weather when you feel a bit chilly. Maybe if you go down the beach or something, you just feel a bit chilly. Yeah, I think it's so cute. Also, I do have these sunglasses on my head. These are from ASOS as well. I thought these were so funky. Like, look how pink they are. I haven't taken the tag off because I don't know if they suit me. How much were these? These were £12. A bit of fun. I do like my glasses that are quite like funky. Oh, I can't breathe when I do that. Okay, so then I bought this little dress. This was, let me have a look. This was £35. I don't know why I bought it because I have no occasions to wear it, but I couldn't resist the pattern. Look how lovely this is. It's got little cutaways here, which I feel like really accentuate your waist as well. I like that. I love the print. It's this really pretty floral print. Pinks, blues, reds, some greens in there. The neckline's really nice. It's a V, not too low. Ruche in here to make your bust look a bit bigger. And the back, I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of like cutaways at the back as well. I love this. I love the length. It is such a pretty dress. If I had a wedding to go to, I would be wearing this. For sure. Someone I know, please get married. So lastly, these shorts from Vera Moda, they're £18 and they are the perfect length. They're not too long, they're not too short. I could wear these and feel comfortable. They do need an iron because they're kind of like a linen material. And I've just popped them on with a little white t-shirt so you can see what they look like. They're just like a really nice length short. They're not too short, not too long. And £18 as well. I feel like I got the price wrong on that. That's such a good bargain. I'm definitely keeping these. Like, my bum isn't hanging out the back. They're nice and loose on my leg as well, so I feel like quite comfortable wearing these. I just think these are so cute. Literally loving these shorts. They kind of look like they're meant to be like a denim kind of looking material, but they are a really soft linen. And they're like ruched around here, which is super comfortable, and you can tie up the belt to make them a little bit tighter if you want. But yeah, look at that. It's got like little frills around the top and everything. Literally, guys, this is my favourite thing from the haul. They are so wearable. Love these. I might even wear them today. It's now about 7:30 in the evening and I have had the most relaxing bath. As you can see, my face is a little bit red. I'm hoping that's the bath and not sunburn because I have been out today. I didn't vlog any of it because I was just having some nice friend time, but I went to Mersey Beach, which was really, really nice. Again, I was there the other day for the photo shoot, but Went back today for a nice little sit on the beach because the weather has been amazing. And obviously when you're on the beach, you get all sandy. I put loads of sun cream on. I was like, you know what? I'm having a bath. So I feel nice and refreshed now. I've washed all my hair as well. I haven't curled it, but this is my hair straight. I never have it straight really. I always curl it. It's getting quite long. I'm gonna have it cut again soon, and I think I'm gonna have it a bit blonder. I kind of like the lighter blonder tones from underneath, so I think I'm gonna have a bit blonder next time. Just thought I'd let you know. I am aware that I haven't vlogged much today because obviously I've been out, but I really wanted to show you guys what I picked up for the house recently, or what I've been sent as well, because I've been kindly gifted some bits too. First things are some towels. So we have this towel, which I love this print. I think this print is like, it's super funky, it's geometric, it's monochrome. It's basically a really easy print to put in a bathroom. We're not actually having to do much to our bathroom, luckily, because it's really nice and it feels quite new already. Obviously bathrooms are super expensive, so that's like good news. It's all white. We're going to paint the walls white. They're cream at the moment, but all the tiles are white, so I feel like these will go really nice. And then we've got like a bigger version of the same towel. We have a little hand towel as well. And actually what I really like about these, when I noticed this when I was unpacking them the other day, is one side is like this and then the other side is slightly different. So I like the fact that I can like fold one way and one the other way, and it will look quite cool. So I've got those 3 towels, and then to go with those I've got this bath mat, which is just literally just a plain bath mat. It hasn't got any tassels or anything on the end. I really like this. It's kind of like a thick material, like almost like a rug, which I think is really cool. So that doesn't really match 100%, but it goes enough for me to not be worried about that. So yes, then I have some little bits and bobs which will go on the wall. So first up we have the Hudson towel storage unit thing. Maybe I should actually get this out and show you it in person. It's really hard to show you because it's all like packaged up funny, but basically, I don't know if you can see, I'll insert a picture here from the website, because on the website you can kind of see what it looks like on the wall. It's like a pipe, almost a pipe effect. It's kind of like a grey colour, and I really like this because it won't get any fingerprints on it. And I hate polishing like chrome things. I hate silver things like that where you have to polish them, fingerprints and all that jazz. Won't get anything on here. I love the fact that it's a bit industrial. I love that kind of industrial style. I wouldn't have it everywhere in the house, but I feel like in the bathroom it kind of like, it would just modernise it a little bit. It would kind of keep it funky, keep it quite fresh, and that's something that I really like to do. So this was £58 if you wanted to buy it in store, which I guess is quite pricey, but again, I'm planning on getting some towels and just rolling them up and some flannels, and I think that will really like create a feature in the bathroom. So I'm super excited to hang, well, I say I'm super excited to get Chris to hang that up, because I can't even use a ruler, let alone hang something up straight. I've also got the Hudson towel ring, and this is £16, so a little bit cheaper, and this will be really nice by the sink so people can just dry their hands. And as you can see, it's got that industrial pipe kind of feel to it as well. Little picture of it on the back. And then we have the toilet roll holder. It does what it says on the tin. Holds the toilet roll. This is £16 as well, so again a little bit more affordable if you don't want the kind of big towel holder. And then lastly we have the Hudson towel rail, and this is basically the same kind of thing, industrial pipe, but it's a big towel rail. And I was thinking about putting this over the bath, so whilst you're in the bath or the shower you can just grab your towel and go. And this one is £26, so I think those are pretty much all affordable and just really nice for a bathroom, just to spruce it up a bit. Like, even if you rent a bathroom, I feel like you could add these in your bathroom and it would just make it look a little bit more modern, which I really like doing. So next up we have something from Anthropologie, and again they kindly sent me this. It's a little like tray for like trinkets and stuff, and this was £12, but it's got a crab on it and it's a star sign one. So my star sign is Cancer, which is the crab. I don't know if it's focusing there. Again, Cancer star sign kind of sucks because you don't want a big poster that says Cancer on it, obviously. But I feel like because it's the crab, it still represents my star sign, but it's quite cute. So now I'm going to go cook myself some dinner because it's getting late. And I also want to check on little Vincey because he's downstairs all on his own. Where's my jumper gone? Do I need a jumper? Probably not.